3:54 in the morning, 3:55, and we're just getting ready to go start chores for the day. Yeah, so we're just headed up to the barn. It's gonna be dark here. You're not gonna be able to see me, but kind of see the light up in the barn there. We're just headed out to do chores, and the stars are out. It's a beautiful morning. We've just finished. We got probably one more load we can fit in the bagger and the bag, and then we'll be done chopping corn. So things are looking pretty good that way. You can see there's a chopper box sitting up there. We got to unload, and we'll be done with corn for the fall. It's kind of been a long, drawn out process this year, but happy to have it done. So it's 3:58. Just checking everything out here. We got a little milk ready for tomorrow, or for the calves this morning. Go ahead and get the sanitize started. And go call the cows down. We'll open the door in the barn and we'll see what we got going on in here for the morning. Calves are just waking up. A little bit of hay left there. We'll go try to get the cows off pasture. It's October 16th, I believe. They're still on pasture yet. Not much to see out here, but we're gonna call them. Come on! Kind of a game of hide and seek trying to find them this morning. There we go, a couple. Let's go, girls, come on! Let's go! A couple heifers. Cow out there. Hey girl. Time to wake up. Let's go, girls. You probably can't see it. The stars are definitely out. It's a beautiful, cool morning this morning. Got my puppy with me, helping me. We got the last milkers on here. We're just getting finished up, and it's 6:15. So we'll save a little extra milk for the calves, get them fed, and kick cows out again on pasture, and then we'll feed calves and clean everything up. So we just got the barn finished milked. All the cows, this group of cows is all milked. There you can see they're kind of chilling out here until they're getting ready for us to send them on out so they can head out to pasture again. But things have went pretty well. Kind of a normal morning, I would say. Still pretty dark out yet. But the sun, you can see the stars a little bit here. It's gonna be a beautiful morning. The sun's just gonna come up over here. It's every morning I get to see the sun come up. Anyway, we're gonna get cows sent out to pasture, get everything cleaned up, and we'll be back in business to get started finishing unloading chopper boxes and chopping the last load of corn. So we got the cows back outside. We're running the barn cleaner. We run it every maybe 3 days or so. Getting everything cleaned out. And stalls we added a little bit of sand just to keep them so they don't slip. We'll put sawdust down in the driveway. So barn's all back cleaned up, and we'll get tonight we'll get cows in and they'll make a mess, and we'll clean it all up again, and we'll repeat this twice a day every day. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button below, and if you want to see more videos like this come up in your feed, please subscribe to our channel. And if you want to find out when our next video comes out every week, hit that notification bell below, and that'll send you a notification when our next video comes out, which we try to send them out every week. Thanks a lot for learning more about our farm, and we sure appreciate it.